Good morning, this is Tedious Repairs. We're over here doing a brake service on a customer with a Honda. With every service, we do a free inspection. We go through a list, check out everything on your car that we can see within reason. Check your spark plugs, do a free computer scan, make sure nothing funky's going on in there. This guy got something going on, as you can see. Come over here, we'll check your battery, check your spark plugs, check your air filter. Looks like this customer really needs their air filter. Check your fans, your AC, your radiator. You look for leaks. Check your belts out. We literally spend an hour about going over your car, making sure she isn't going to fall apart when she leaves here. We can prevent that. We try. It's up to you if you want to do it. No pressure. We just submit the report. And if you want to quote, we'll let you know what it costs. And we'll take care of it for you. So come into Tedious Repairs this summer for your free inspection with any service. And let us do our magic.